guys, welcome to I've Got a Disney Dream. My name is Joni. In today's video, we are going to be making a Christmas DIY featuring products mainly from the dollar store. So you don't have to purchase exactly what I purchased. You could always kind of change this up a little bit for your personal style. I chose products that would go with the decorations in the room that I was going to be putting this in. Without further ado, let's get into it. You're going to need a 5x7 picture frame. The dollar store has different colors and styles, but I chose kind of this bronzy one. A wide ribbon. I had this one at home. I got it from Joann Fabrics. You can use any ribbon. The wired ribbon will be easier to work with. Pine garland. This is a 15-foot one that I got at the dollar store. Berries. I got these burgundy ones from the dollar store. A piece of paper. I just actually used a piece of computer paper. An ornament. I got mine at the dollar store. You can use any style ornament as long as it does have enough flatness to it that you can actually glue it to the frame. And then a thin to medium width ribbon. I have this extra piece of a ribbon lying around the house, but the dollar store does carry ribbon this width. First off, you want to take the back off of the picture frame as well as the paper insert. Next, size up the paper with the insert that you took out. You can be more precise and measure it if you want, or you can just cut along the edges like I did. Double check that the paper fits in the frame properly. If you do have a little bit extra, you can fold it over or you can trim it. Then take the thinner ribbon and measure both horizontal and vertical pieces, leaving a little bit of overlap. Place your paper on top of the insert and take your first piece of ribbon, center it, and then flip it over. Glue and fold over the edges. Repeat the step with the next piece of ribbon. The vertical piece is optional. I wanted kind of a present feel, but as you will see with the ornament I chose, you really don't see this piece of ribbon much. Next, insert the paper into the frame and put the backing on. Place face down on your table and grab the garland. The garland will act as the hanger for your piece, so measure and cut however much you would like. Place a generous amount of glue on the back of the frame and place your garland down. Then hold and add a little more glue for good measure. Repeat this on the other side. Once glue is a little tacky and not so hot, go back and press down a little bit better to make sure it is adhered well. Add any additional glue if need be. Once you are happy with the garland, carefully flip the frame back over. Bend the garland so that it will hang nicely. Cut a piece of the wide ribbon for the main part of your bow and fold in the ends. Glue both ends down at the center. Cut a smaller piece that will become the center of your bow, and if you would like some streamers, cut a piece that's a little bit larger than that. Take the main part of your bow, scrunching in the center, and take the small piece. I folded mine in half, and wrap around the center and glue into place. Shape your bow, and then take the last piece of ribbon and scrunch at the center. Glue this piece to the back of your bow. Once you have your bow together, take the berries and cut one sprig and set aside. Place the picture frame face up and glue the bow to the center of the garland hanger. Flip over and a little extra glue to the back for a little bit better stability. I also glued the streamers to the garland. Flip back over the frame, take the berry sprig, cut in half, and glue beside the bow. I decided to glue mine between the loops and the streamers. Line up the ornament in the center of the frame. Take note of what parts lay flat because that's where you're going to want to glue. Add glue to those areas, press down and hold. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me. If you decided to make your own DIY, please let me know. I would love to see what you guys came up with. You could either let me know how it went in the comment section below. You could also find me on Twitter at I've Got a Diz Dream. Make sure to tag me. I would love to see what you guys came up with. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.